Look at that bling. It's giving.
Love yours. Love yours.
What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. I have Aliexpress video. I'm coming to you guys barefaced, no makeup, no nothing, just vibes. If you don't know what Aliexpress is, it's an Asian-based clothing company, but they sell a whole bunch of other stuff other than clothing. Just download the app and you'll see like all the stuff they sell. They sell clothes, jewelry, hair, furniture, electronics. Like they literally sell anything you want. It's like Amazon but Asian-based kind of. So yo y'all, if you don't know who I am, my name is Mckinlee Brooke. I make fashion vlogs here, be that type of content. So if you're interested in that type of content, head over to my channel, click that subscribe, like all those buttons. It helps me so much. I will have, of course, all the links down in the description box for y'all, and if I forget to put them down, just comment and I'll quickly, you know, add them on there. I will have, of course, the sizing and the names and the price on the screen, so definitely be watching and making sure you see what size I got and how much this stuff costs. Let's just get right into this video, y'all. Okay, y'all, so the first thing I have to show y'all is this jumpsuit. I will hold it up for you guys, but it'll do a lot more justice once you see it on. But yeah, it's just like this cutout in the stomach area, and then it ties up in the front. It's a long sleeve just jumpsuit. It's bodycon. It is in all black. The material is really nice. I love the little string detail in the front. That's a little bit of like sex appeal. You can definitely dress that up with some heels. It'll be kind of hard to dress it down just because the front is pretty revealing, and then you have your stomach out and your boobs out, and that's kind of a lot. It's giving club look for me. I just dress it up with a whole bunch of accessories and really cute heels, but absolutely love that. It fits me so well. It's soft on the inside. It stretches a lot, but it's not like so stretchy that it's see-through. I definitely rate that a 10 out of 10. Okay, just a warning, I have a lot of black in this haul. I don't know why I was ordering so many black pieces, but I definitely did. But the next piece I'm going to show you is this black long sleeve dress, and this is just what it looks like. It has these super cute not bobby pin, what are these called? There's some type of like clips. I don't really know exactly what type of clips these are called, but they have those in the front, like where the cleavage is, and then it has a huge split on the side that comes like up to your hip, and it has another set of these silver clips on the side as well to add detailing, but the slit goes all the way down to the ground, and it is long sleeve. It is pretty revealing, so it's giving like dinner, club, like that type of vibe. It is just so cute, or maybe a little vacation, but I usually don't consider like black as like a vacation look. It gives like not vacation. So yeah, I love this. I love the material. Like I said, it's not see-through. Everything on this just fits my body so well. It makes you look really snatched, and it's just really nice. I love the material. 10 out of 10 for me again on this piece. Okay, the next piece that I have to show you guys, I'm really excited for, and they are these black joggers. But the thing that I really love is the rhinestones on them. They are literally so freaking cute. They have like the skeleton bone detailing rhinestones on them. They are like the jogger fits. They have like a little scrunchie at the end to cuff around your ankles. They're not flare leg. They are adjustable. Love that. These do come with a tag, and this is in a size medium. The waistband on this is impeccable. Like the quality is so good. Like these sweatpants I'm going to wear over and over again because the quality is so thick. It's cotton. It's not that like polyester material that sometimes Aliexpress be giving. It's like actually heavy duty sweatpant material, which I love. They also have pockets, and then they have little silver detailing on the string, so it, like I said, it is adjustable. I just absolutely love these. I cannot wait to style these up, pair them to go to class, like anything. Like these will definitely be on my Instagram because I absolutely love them, and I just feel like they're just like a nice little chill vibe, and that's what we're giving them here. We're giving chill vibe. So 10 out of 10. You gotta pick these up as well. They are so cute. Like look at that bling. It's giving. Okay, next up I have a I have a jacket, a zip up jacket, and it is black again, and this is what she looks like. It has super cute like rhinestones on it as well. I didn't zip this up, but you'll see in the try on haul. I would say that this material is not the best. Like it doesn't give what the sweatpants give at all. Like you can tell that this is like a cheaper material, a cheaper sweatshirt material. I don't actually really like it. I probably wouldn't recommend this just because I don't like, the inside is fleece but like the outside is like that hard, like not cotton, like styrofoam type of feel, and I don't like that. But the aesthetic of it is really cute. Absolutely love the rhinestones and bling on it. I probably would still wear this honestly, but I probably wouldn't like dress it up or wear it a whole bunch of times just because the material is not what I like to wear and like the material that I like. But it is cute. It does have little pulleys for the hoodie, and it is a hood, and the zipper is okay. It's a little janky, so like I said, the quality is not there, but the aesthetic and what they were trying to go for, I can see the vision. It just wasn't executed as planned. And this is in a size medium, so super duper cute. But if you're looking for something of like good quality, I would not suggest this. But if you're just looking for a look, I definitely would, because it is really cute and can be styled up so nicely. Okay, moving on, I have some color for you guys, and this is this super cute green sweater. Like, look how bomb this is. I've really been into green lately. You can't really, the color's kind of being washed out. Okay, you kind of see the color right there, but yeah, it is just this vest sweater. I don't know why I call them vest sweaters, but the sweater's without sleeves, and that just looks like a vest to me. So I call it a vest sweater, and then it has a slit on the side. I've seen girls wear this with like white button-ups under it, and it looks so cute. So I might try to pair that, but I need to get a white button-up first. So I don't know really what I'm going to pair with this, but it is just amazing. I love the knit on it. It's really, really good quality. It's not itchy. I cannot take itchy sweaters. Like, I just cannot take itchy sweaters, like, at all. So I love this. I love that it's actually a sweater material, and I was a little skeptical ordering it on Aliexpress because, you know, sometimes the quality don't hit that well, but this is actually knitted and it looks warm and it just looks so freaking cute. Definitely recommend this. It's going to be a pop of color. I can wear these with my Brazilians. Anything green that I have, I put on those Brazilians. Okay, so that's my Brazilian loaves, if you don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, love this. 10 out of 10. It's definitely giving the little preppy like aesthetic vibe that I might be dipping and dabbing into. Okay, moving on, I have this hoodie slash like jacket thing, but it is black, and it's just this super duper cute like zip up hoodie. I would definitely wear it zipped up. It's more like a shirt, but it's still a hoodie. I'm sure you've seen this design everywhere. I know I saw it last season, but I just decided to pick it up this season, and I absolutely love it. The material on this is A1. It's quality, it's thick, it's heavy, it has weight to it. So it's definitely going to keep you warm. I love the jacket, and then the best part of it, it has like asymmetrical detailing in the middle. So you see how it's kind of like a cutout, so it makes your body look a little bit more snatched, a little bit more curvy. Love asymmetrical designs that like enhance your body and just makes them look a little bit better. So super cute. The zipper is good quality. I got this in a size small. It does have a tag on it. Love. It definitely gives. Wear these with some black jeans. I think that'll look so cute. I love when I receive good quality stuff. Like, that just makes my day. It really does. Okay, next, I said I had a lot of black. I wasn't lying. So it's just this super cute black top. I love this top. It has a little invisible button in the front, and then on the shoulders and on the arms it's a ruching material, and then it has like a little kind of dress type of cuff. I think it's called a cuff or something for your wrist. I just love this. It looks so cute. Wear these with some leather pants, with some white pants, with a cute skirt. Like, it has a collar on it. It's so cropped, and it just looks really dressy and really nice. Like I said, the material is A1. It's made of like a button-up shirt material, and then it scrunches at the bottom, so it's gonna look so cute. I got this in a size small, and it fits me amazing. Like, 10 out of 10. Once again, this haul has been definitely a hit. Like, I love all of these pieces. Girl, you're gonna see me styling and profiling. Okay, y'all, I have one more item to show you guys, and it's just this graphic tee, and this is what it looks like. It has like 2 like skeletons kissing on it. So cute. Really nothing much to say about this. I got this in a size small. I definitely should have sized up if I wanted it to fit a little bit oversized, which I like my graphic tees to fit oversized, so I don't know why I got a small, but I did. It is made out of like a soft, like stretchy material, so it is not made out of cotton, which I'm kind of disappointed about because I like my graphic tees to be made out of cotton, and this one is definitely not. So it's giving sleep shirt for me, or just like a really dressed down shirt, but it is still super duper cute. I like the little design on it gives, but and I like the color that is neutral and stuff, because you guys know I like my neutrals. You know, I'm a neutral gal. But yeah, still super cute. I definitely give this like a 7, 8 out of 10, maybe 6 out of 10, just because I want it to be cotton. If I have a graphic tee, I want it to be cotton, and it's not cotton. So okay guys, so that was the end of this haul. I really do hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments what was your favorite piece, and what piece are you going to get to twin with your girl. Let me know what other type of content you guys want to see from me. I love doing AliExpress hauls. I love doing fashion content, so just let me know and I got y'all. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you lovelies in the next video. Bye.